Fixing the Msvcp50.dll pop-up requires an expert look at your shared files. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll automate that repair for you. To start the walkthrough for Msvcp50, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This DLL file is a legacy Microsoft C++ runtime library from the late 1990s. It provides the foundational classes required to execute applications written in Visual C++ 5.0, managing basic program logic and UI events. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. This issue is commonly resolved by reinstalling Microsoft Visual C++ 5.0. Download both x86 and x64 versions of the Visual C++ redistributables from Microsoft and install them. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the Msvcp50 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like the Msvcp50.dll within your System32 or syswow64 folders. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to the Msvcp50 management. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing the Msvcp50 from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.